Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub Innovation, empowering computer user with assistive technology and personalized training. My name is Abdullahi Afolabi Akani. Today, I will be guiding you on how to use some shortcuts within the Microsoft Word as a person with visual impairment. Shortcuts is the combination of two or more keys to perform a specific task. So using shortcuts helps person with visual impairment to be able to explore the computer quickly and effectively. So the first one I'm going to talk about Control A. Within the Microsoft Word, Control A will highlight all text. Yes. So Control B will bold highlighted text, that is bold on and bold off. We also have Control C. Control C will copy highlighted text, that is selected text will be copied to the clipboard. Then we have Control D. Control D for the font dialog. The font dialog is a region whereby you can select your font size, font style, etc. And at the same time, we have Control E. Control E is to centralize highlighted text, that is to bring some text to the middle. Yes, some text to the middle. For instance, maybe you want to put a title in the middle. So Control E is the shortcut for that. We also have Control F. Control F is find. That is, if you want to find for any word within Microsoft Word, Control F is what you are going to use. We also have Control G. Control G is to go to. That is, if you want to go to a particular page within an open document, Control G is the shortcut key you can use as a person with visual impairment. We also have Control H. Control H is for find and replace. That is, if you want to find a particular word and you want to replace that word with another name. That is, for instance, maybe in a particular document you have a series of various of lion, word lion that appear in your document and you want to change it to tiger. So with Control H, you can achieve that. We also have Control I. Control I is to italicize highlighted text. We also have Control J. Control J is to justify highlighted text. Control K is for hyperlink. Control L is to um, left align. That's left align to move highlighted text to the left. Control M, there is no Control M. Control N is to create new documents. Control O is to open a new document. Control O. We also have Control P. There's no Control P. P, Q, R. Control R is to align to the right, to align highlighted text to the right. Control S is to save. Control T. There is no Control T. Control T. U. Control E is to underline. Control V is to paste highlighted text from the clipboard. There's no Control W. X. Control X is to cut, that is to move. X. Control I is to Control Y is to redo. Control Z is to undo. So that's the most shortcut key you can use as a person with visual impairment within the Microsoft Word. Please kindly like, share, and comment. Watch out for the next video. I go by the name Afolabi Wonder.